Hi, I'm Dr. Smith, and I want to share with you how I can help you with your whiplash symptoms. And not only reduce the pain associated with that, but also reduce the muscle spasms and increase the motion so that you're able to function fully without pain and discomfort. Very important because you need to be able to function at work, in your activities through the day, being able to drive, turning your neck and head when you're looking and checking traffic, then functioning at work without pain. If you're suffering from pain and discomfort from the forces involved in that all day long, and then coming home and being restless and then not being able to sleep at night, tossing and turning, waking with increased pain because of stress placed just by the simple act of a pillow, which further causes problems, especially when dressing, putting on your shirt, and simple things we normally take for granted. After over 9 years of experience, what I found to be the most common cause for whiplash type injuries is auto accident injuries, and the forces involved in that with a sudden jarring and tearing of muscles, tendons, and ligaments, which can result in whiplash injuries. After over 10,000 treatments of patients, what I found to be the most effective therapies for whiplash injuries are chiropractic treatment, muscle stimulation, and massage therapy. Let me share with you a little bit about how those work. Number one, chiropractic treatment involves detection of inflamed areas of the spine. They have an effect of reducing pain, increasing joint space, and reducing pinched nerves. Number two, muscle stimulation is a mild form of gentle stimulating current, which feels like a tingling massage. And the effect is that number one, it acts as a nerve block and reduces pain. Number two, it reduces muscle fatigue. And number three, it reduces muscle spasm. The third therapy, professional licensed therapeutic massage. And the effect of that, it's a gentle form of manual therapy which addresses contracted and spasming muscles. The muscles are gently stretched, and it has the effect of reducing pain in the areas. It also has the effect of reducing and stretching the muscles and thereby reducing the muscle spasms. Now, I'll tell you about a patient named David who'd come in with a whiplash injury. And this affected him in his ability to move his neck and head and interfered with his sleep. He was not sleeping at all because of the pain and discomfort and stiffness associated with the injured muscles and tendons and soft tissues in the neck. As a result of this, when we began to treat him, after just one treatment, he was 50% improved. After 1 week of treatment, he was 75% improved and actually able to start sleeping gently through the night. After 2 weeks of treatment, he was sleeping with no problem and receiving the benefits of the sleep that he needed from being able to do so. Now, let me share with you why patients choose our clinic as a place for their care. There are 3 reasons. Number one, I'm a member of the Ohio State Chiropractic Association. As a member, I'm provided with the latest information on therapies and treatments that are most effective for patients. Number two, I'm a member of the Better Business Bureau, and that's a commitment to quality and excellence for our patients. Number three, we are the winner of the 2015 Patient's Choice Awards, which honors us as the chiropractor in the Cincinnati area. Now, if you are suffering and you are in pain, I'd like to offer you a $47 new patient special. This consists of 4 things. Number one, a private consultation. That has 3 purposes. Number one, detect the injured area. Number two, once that's been detected, determine the most effective form of therapy for that area. Then number three, once those 2 things are established, what is the most effective form of treatment that will produce relief the fastest? The second part of the special is a 4-point patient exam. This consists of 4 tests. Number one, range of motion test, which will result in me detecting the specific joints which are restricted. Number two, nerve test, which will allow me to identify the specific nerves which are involved. Number three, muscle tests, which will allow me to determine specifically which muscles are involved. Number four, orthopedic tests, which will allow me to determine specifically which ligaments, tendons, and cartilage may be injured. This will lead to the third component, x-rays, of which we'll do 2 x-rays if needed. and that will allow me to see in greater detail the injured area and see what it looks like on the inside. If from that we determine that you can benefit from chiropractic treatment, that leads to the fourth component, which is one chiropractic treatment and one therapy of muscle stimulation, which has the benefit of, once again, reducing muscle spasm and reducing pain. I will also include as a bonus one bottle of Biofreeze, which is an all-natural muscle pain relieving gel. I'd also like to offer a two-part guarantee. First part of the guarantee is that if we determine you cannot benefit from chiropractic treatment, then we'll be happy to refer you to a specialist. And that office visit will be no charge. And you can keep the bottle of Biofreeze. The second part of the guarantee is that if you're not satisfied with your treatments, then once again there will be no charge for that office visit. And once again you can keep the bottle of Biofreeze. So we're limiting this to the first 10 callers of the calendar month. And the reason for that is because of space constraints within our office. So if you are suffering and in pain, please call us now and take advantage of our $47 new patient special. We can help you. Our number is 513-385-CARE. That's 385-2273.